cries, whispers lost beneath the skies. Memories pulse in monochrome, fragments drift, no place to home. Circuits hum a steady sound, heartbeat lost in metal bound. Walking through this neon haze, counting down these empty days. Faint lights flicker on the edge, unknown paths we dare to pledge. Time dissolves in endless streams, chasing long forgotten dreams. Round and round the cycles spin, endless dance where all begin. Through the veil the moments climb, we are lost across the time.